Cardano ADA, has it topped out? Is it crashing? Should we be worried now, guys? Down 6.8% on the day. Is it just a healthy correction? I'm not too worried at the minute. We know it's absolutely flown up. Ethereum absolutely flying. Most altcoins still flying. This could just be a healthy pullback. Let's talk about it. Cardano's market cap currently around about just under 26 billion. Currently in rank number 8. I would like to see this one higher, especially the ADA Maxis. Of course, we want to see this one continue a push into the top 5 if you are really bullish and you are holding a lot of Cardano ADA. I know a lot of people are ADA Maxis out there. Of course, a lot of people also have diverse bags, but volume still good, still pretty high. Rank 18th, still over $1.5 billion of volume in the 24 hours, which is pretty healthy. Some profits being taken clearly, as the chart suggests. I think it's fairly healthy, as I've mentioned. We'll take a look at the charts in a moment, but it is great to see Cardano still, above 70 cents. This is exciting times in the crypto market. As mentioned, Bitcoin, hitting a new all-time high today, and now pulling back a bit. Money still flying into ETH continuing to hit new yearly highs. Leave us a comment below if you think you're going to see a new all-time high on Ethereum this year, and also leave us a comment below if you think you're going to see a new all-time high on Cardano at some stage coming in the near future. Now, if you are new here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell, select all notifications, go back and watch previous videos. We're covering a whole host of different altcoins daily. And if you are enjoying the content, be sure to hit the like. Now, moving on, Cardano news all out there. It's very bullish sentiment at the moment. I'm not seeing any major bearish signals. Yes, we are pulling back a little bit, low time frame, but pretty much the whole sentiment out there at the minute is Cardano pumping like crazy. Now, Cardano Cube, looking at the whole ecosystem, you legends out there that have hodled on, that have built your bags in the bear market. You've hopefully bought some ADA in the bear market. I hope you've all got a decent position, and of course, we'd like to know if people are in profit or not. And as you've been bullish on Cardano in the bear market, you've not given up on it. You will have seen this incredible ecosystem continuing to just build and build and build, and just becoming so vast now. And I think this is one of Cardano's great strengths, that the community have never really given up on it, have always truly believed it. A lot of big accounts out there in the space have tried to FUD Cardano and the ecosystem, but I think the community is still too strong. So diving into the charts, starting off macro prospect here. What were we looking at originally? So earlier in the year, we're continuing to see a lot of lower lows and lower highs set, and it really wasn't until we broke out of that descending channel that we were starting to get a breakout and things looking a bit better for ADA. Now, earlier on in the year, last year rather, we've seen the January pump that we got in 2023. A lot of people thought that was the start of the new bull market for altcoins, and of course it turned out to be a rally which then headed for lower lows on a load of coins in the summer. So it started to look a bit promising at first, but realistically it just turned out to be an ABC correction. And then as we did with many other altcoins, Cardano hitting a new low in the summer of 2023. But has crypto winter ended now? Well, we know it certainly ended for Bitcoin. It's looking really good on ETH. Of course, the altcoins have got to catch up. It's pretty normal to see Bitcoin go to new highs first before we see money rotate into altcoins. First, money is clearly rotating into Ethereum. Ethereum's up 4% today. And Bitcoin's down nearly 2% at time of recording. So money going into ETH. Is ETH going to blow to a new all-time high, and then maybe more it's going to come out of ETH and go into these altcoins, and one of those altcoins could be Cardano's ADA. Of course, none of this is financial advice. This is just complete speculation. Of course, use risk management when you are investing and trading in cryptocurrency. So Cardano ADA, let's take a look at it. We've got the breakout of the channel which came in November, and this is starting to look like, you know, pretty impulsive move now. And really, it's kind of hit the minimum target of around about 75 cents before we should you know, potentially see some kind of a correction. So that could be why some people are taking profits here. Like I said, time recording now 72.5 cents down 5.7% on the day, but that does not mean we are going super bearish after, you know, this really good pump that we've had up here, which could be 5 waves done, or we could even have a bit more to go here. And if this 5th wave was to extend, this could arguably go up to that $1.20 target that I'm looking at, which is kind of the next major resistance, which is over here in between. We had a few touches February and March 22. So just to let you know what that one would look like, we'd probably be looking along the 5th wave here before we see a correction. So hard to know where this one is going to top out. Like I said, expecting profits to be taken between 75 and 120. If we got through 120, we could go up to this $65 before hitting a bit more resistance. But then I think we'd almost certainly see a pullback there. But realistically, I think a healthy bull market target, if we can get new highs on these altcoins, especially on these layer ones, I think $5 is a realistic target for Cardano ADA. You'll see a lot of channels that are super, you know, moon bullish out there. The Moon Boys telling you you're going to see $50 ADA. Very possible. Of course, anything's possible in crypto. I'm just being realistic. I'm not sure that is going to happen, but I think if we see new highs on Cardano, I think the $5 psychological target would be a great one to hit. And it kind of lines up quite nicely with the fibs as well. If we were to, you know, get to that $1.20 target, and then maybe have a you know, a free wave correction back down to the 0.5 fib, which would kind of bring us back into the price action we are now, then, you know, looking at again another move up, you're kind of looking, I mean, you'd be through the 1.236 to get that round about that $5. Maybe $6 could also be reasonable around about the 1.618 on the next wave up, and that would just be you know, a macro bullish free wave move. ABC again. Things could be a lot more bullish, and we could see, you know, 2-figure targets if we get a larger 5-wave move. But for now, I think a realistic target until we can, you know, kind of see where this goes in the coming weeks, $5. However, that could change very quickly. And of course, Savage is now back on the channel doing some Elliott-wave for us, so he will give you a much more detailed Elliott-wave opinion of where he thinks Cardano is going next at some stage. Now, what to do with some of your ADA if you've got some spare ADA. Well, if you want to join the channel membership, we have a lifetime membership NFT. Now, it's available for only 1,800 ADA. There's only 500 of these, and over 400 have now sold, so we've got less than 100 lifetime membership NFTs. Guys, you need to come join the community. We have weekly AMAs. We've got our trading area. We talk about you know, projects. We've got buy and sell alerts. There's a lot more happening in the community at the moment. We also have completely free Discord to join as well. Links in the description below. But of course, if you join the channel membership, you get full access to that Discord, access to the members areas. And again, yeah, just come and join the team, come and join the community. It's a great investment. Like I said, a lot of people got their NFTs with us over a year ago now, and they're not having to pay any monthly fees. You do not pay any monthly fees with the Crypto Rosetta membership. You just get this one-off lifetime membership NFT. So if you are with us for years and years, which I really hope you are, this is going to be an absolute bargain at 1,800 ADA. Come and get yours today. Like I said, if you're interested, join the Discord for free, link in the description below. See get lifetime access, or message one of the team for more information. Now back to the chart. What this could kind of look like again in a wave structure on the weekly chart at the minute. Again, I've got this kind of bullish curve finding a bottom. I'm seeing this on a few charts at the minute, kind of speculating that this is kind of looking like the altcoin reversal and the bull market that we want to see. So again, just speculating right now that we could maybe be looking to go a bit higher, potentially on a fifth wave to the upside on the weekly if things can stay a bit bullish at the moment. As long as Bitcoin doesn't come, start to heavily crash here, just maybe pulls back, maybe ETH goes higher, then that pulls back and a bit more money comes into these altcoins, your ADAs, your polka dots, your BNBs, etc. Then maybe we'll kind of get us to this fifth wave target, which should at least probably take us to $1, but maybe that $1.20 that I was talking about. Then we should see a bit of a free wave correction, which will take a few weeks, couple of months, maybe a couple of bearish months in the summer, a bit choppy. And then maybe we get another blow off at the end of the year to maybe complete this altcoin bull market. Maybe Bitcoin has hit its highs first. Again, this is very speculative. And if you've got any idea of how you think this is going to play out, leave us a comment below. Now, we cannot, of course, ignore the bearish scenario yet. We have to be aware that that is still possible, although nobody wants to believe it, that these altcoins can go to lower lows. But do not be fooled in thinking something like this can happen. Just because Bitcoin has gone to new all-time highs, we do not know early at this stage. We are just speculating about whether altcoins are also going to go to new all-time highs. And I'll tell you now, my personal opinion is some will and some won't. That's as simple as it is. That's why when I'm investing in altcoins, I always like to say diversify in your altcoins, because you really just don't know how many X's you are going to get from each. And if some underperform in the market against others, you really don't want to miss out. It's all part of risk strategy. But again, let us know if you're holding ADA, but you're holding it as one of many altcoins if you're holding, or let us know if you're an ADA whale. You just love ADA. That is the way you're putting your money. I'm not going to criticize anybody who does that. Just from a risk management strategy for myself, that is not how I like to invest in altcoins. Now, if you want to win some altcoins, of course, you can go to cryptcoms.com, which also supports the channel. Go buy yourself a ticket. Now, you can get a ticket to win £10,000 worth of any cryptocurrency of your choice. You can win ADA, you can win Bitcoin, you can win other altcoins. For just one ticket costs £5. That's about $6.20. You can enter anywhere worldwide. There's also Competition 9 where you can win £1,000 worth, and that's just £1 a ticket. They're the best odds out there of any cryptocurrency competition site. I absolutely guarantee you that. We do not affect who wins the competitions. That is drawn by an independent regulated third party provider. So go to cryptcoms.com, get yourself tickets. You could win, £10,000 worth of Cardano. And again, of course, going back to the charts again, imagine you win that £10,000 worth of Cardano today. That is going to get you a whole host of coins. That's going to get you, about 20,000 coins plus. If that got to $5, guys, and you're holding 20,000, ADA, you're talking about $100,000. If you held on and managed to sell the top, if it got up there, so your prize that you could win at CryptComs could absolutely explode. Now, low time frame, this is kind of how I'm seeing it. Mentioned in previous video, resistance, support. It was important to get through that resistance. We are now through. So hold that support still. Key area of support, 45 cent. Kind of what I'm seeing now, pulling back a little bit. Although ADA is climbing again at the moment, back up to 74 cents. So things are volatile in the space as we are recording right now. But it wouldn't surprise me if either we go higher now or if we pull back to maybe sort of this 68, 67 cent region, get a bounce off previous resistance, flip that to support, and then off we go higher to that $1 to $1.20 target before more of a correction. So that's how I'm seeing it. So if we get a drop down to 68, not getting super bearish, even if we go a bit lower, absolutely possible. We could even lose 60 cent. It'll still be okay. As long as we don't lose this 45 cent area, nothing's getting too bearish on ADA at the moment. And I'm sure a lot of people are probably hoping for a pullback into that area to, if we were to pull back and come into here, this could be a really good area to buy before we go off again. That is hopefully the buy the dip opportunity that you'll get if you haven't filled your bags enough yet. If you enjoyed the content and you haven't done so already, smash the like. I'll see you again.